Here it is, you guys. Okay guys, today's still April 8th. Making separate videos on separate parts that I'm installing on the Integra. Next will be the A-Spec racing parts, ASR. Their rear control arms and their rear subframe brace. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, these guys are next to be installed. Now, going under the car, that rear brace goes right here. I got to remove these ITR rear control arms. That's what these are here. I do not need the ITR rear control arms. When I ordered the Ktuned Coilovers, I thought I had basic rear control arms, and I don't. I have the ITR ones. To do the ITR bottom coilovers, it's like an extra $100, I think. To me, it's way better spent on putting money into your rear control arms. So instead of contacting Ktuned and getting the right bottom piece for the coilovers, I just went with these guys here. So let's go ahead and get this started. I don't know what order I'm going to be uploading these videos in. It might be removing the suspension and then installing these guys. So let's go ahead and remove the stock ITR, well, regardless, ITR rear control arms. Let's remove them, which is just 2 bolts. That's it. That's all you gotta do at this point. If you're wondering how to remove the coilover off of there, it is 1 bolt to loosen up the coilover. It's in the previous video though. So let's go ahead and start with this side, remove these guys, and jump to this side, keep rolling. Let's just keep this going. There goes that. That was easy. This one had a longer bolt, so that welded nut might be a little cross-threaded or something. So I'll just keep that in there for now, and I will remember that for future reference. But yeah, there it is. Now I got to think about what's next. So let me come up with my plan. Okay, some bad news. As I expected, this is for an EK. I was hoping EGs, DC2s, EKs were all the same. So, sadly enough, this is not. So, I will not be installing the rear subframe reinforcement brace, but let's continue and get on those sweet control arms. So, moving on. Alright, let's start. I greased it up on the inside. Remember, these are the spherical bushing ones. Well, there it is, guys. It's installed. I don't think I'm going to end this video yet. I think I am going to go message the owners and get that rear subframe brace reinforcement from ASR. But these control arms look pretty sweet. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully pick up on this if I do get that rear subframe brace, which I do want to, because it's going to look pretty sweet. But you guys will see in the next clip.